TMC stock analysis and price predictions for Tuesday. Is TMC the metal company stock or buy? I'll be breaking all of it down in this brief short 1-minute video. And as the only guy in this page with an actual track record of 44,000 videos, I've seen what's working for me and what's not. Especially TMC, 4% correction is something. I'm here to tell you that ever since 14th of May, I've been bullish like I am. Genuinely mean what I say here. You know, it was $3. It was $2.98 at the time. It's 14th of May ago, almost 3 months ago, and since then I've been just buying, milking it up. We got 2 dubs on that, and then here, the only thing that would have mattered, and it still matters to me, is a double break. I got the first break, which was sort of a gap up, which I don't count. I just must see break above 604, and then another above this range in order for me to make this be a buy. If you follow it, this is where we're at, right? And that's what I'm saying. Confirmation must be met, and if it's not met, then I guess this was not meant for me to buy. That's fine. It's completely fine. You know, I'm not gonna pull 4 trades here. With TMC, I also got about 8 results there as well. So if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.